Toothpaste on my feet and look what happened. This is a trick that everyone needs to know. In this video, I will show you what happens when you dare to put toothpaste on your feet. Few people know what this weird trick is for, but I assure you that when you know it, you will thank me if you start doing it today. And as it is my custom, before showing you what toothpaste is for on your feet, I will tell you some other uses that you can give to toothpaste, and that will be very useful to you. Number 1, remove bad hand odor. The onion, garlic, fish, and other kitchen products can leave you with a bad smell in your hands. There are even fruits and vegetables that don't smell good either. Spread a good amount of dental cream on your hands, let it sit for a minute and rinse. You will notice the difference. Number 2, relieve burns. If you have had a mild burn and the burn bothers you, apply a little toothpaste in the area and you will notice how the freshness of the toothpaste will relieve you after a few minutes. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can greet you in my next videos. Number 3, remove the burnt layer from the iron. The burn mark on the iron is annoying, as it can often get to stain or damage the clothes while ironing. To avoid this, only rub with a toothbrush and toothpaste until the stain is removed. Number 4, cleaning mirrors and glasses. Toothpaste can work as a great and economical glass cleaner. Mirrors, crystals, or even screens such as TV and cell phones work. Clean with a little dental cream and scrub, let the paste rest a little, and then rinse. Number 5, relieve insect bites. Dental cream is recommended to calm the itching and swelling that some insect bites produce. Apply a little on the affected area, and you will notice how the discomfort will go away. Now that you know the different uses you can give the toothpaste, it is time to tell you what it is for to put it on your feet. Toothpaste has beneficial components for cleaning the feet. Mix 1 tablespoon of toothpaste in a cup and add 200 milliliters of apple cider vinegar. By applying this mixture on the feet twice a week, the fungi and calluses in the feet are effectively combated. It also helps to keep your nails healthy and shiny so that they grow strong. At the end, remove with plenty of water, and you will notice how your feet will look with incredible freshness. Today's greeting is for Veronica Leonor from Chile and for Doris Castillo from the United States. Thank you for watching our content. Ayúdame a llevar este video a alguien que necesite saberlo.